So hi guys, welcome to this uh, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we will try to solve problem related to array. So in previous video we have seen what is array, so how array looks like and how to print elements of array. So we have seen on this video. If you have not seen that video, please do check it out. So okay, in this video we'll learn about like array, and like we'll try to we'll practice some questions related to array. So okay, let's move forward. So first is write a program to enter the price of three items, okay, and print their final cost with GST. Okay, write a program to enter the price of three items and print their final cost with GST. So let's solve this. So what this is asks to do. So we need to first of all put a program to enter the price of three items. Price of Enter the price of three items. Okay, we need to, so we will input from user. So we need to make a program to access input from user to enter price of three items. Mm, Price of three items. Okay, then we need to then print their final cost with GST. Okay, print their final cost final with GST. Okay, so in this program, what we need to do is input from user. Okay, we need to ask input from user. Okay, we need to input from user price of three items and print their final cost with GST. So we need to do this with the help of array. Okay, so let's create this. Let's int array 3. We will define this integer array y 3. We have we have initialized that uh, it's we have declared that the capacity of this array is 3 bytes. Okay, now enter the first price. Scan percentage I array of 0. Since scanf, so we need to add address of, okay, 0. And similarly we will for second and third enter the first price, sorry, enter the price of first item, enter the price of first item. Enter the price of second item. Third item. Here array of 0, array of 1, and array of 2. Okay, now we have asked the input from user. Okay, store it in array of 0, array of 1, array of 2. So don't confuse with this 0, like why I have added this kind of thing. So the 3 means here I have just declare, okay, I have declare the array of this the capacity of this array is 3 bytes. So this is the position, and this is the position array of 0 at 0. Okay, now we will what we will do is now we will find its I will use for loop I from I is equal to 0 to I is equal to 0 to I smaller than 3. Okay, because the element because the this array has 3 elements. It is 3 I plus plus. Okay, now sorry, now we will find in sum is equal to 0 and sorry total sum is equal to 0. Okay, sum is equal to 0 and sum is equal to sum plus array of I. Now what this will do is this will this for loop uh, will calculate all the calculate the price of these 3 item. Okay, the price of this it will calculate the price of the item. So how what it will do is it will keep on adding the number. So for the first item is let's say 5. Second item is uh, second suppose the here the here we have initially sum is equal to 0. So this what we will do is sum is equal to 0 plus area of I. 0, suppose the position of 0 area of I is 5. Okay, then after that it will become 5. So then after the first position, okay, area of first position, so it is 5 plus 5 10. Okay, third position, suppose the third position also 5, so it will become 15 this way. Okay, so if we just print this sum without calculating its GST, we will find percentage I. Save and run. Enter the price of first item. Okay, let's say first item is 100. Okay, you have got. I will enter this. Okay. Enter the price of first item. Let's say 100. And the price of second item. Let's say 300. The price of third item. Okay, there is typing mistake. I will correct it. Third item, let's say 100. See, the total is 500. Okay, there was some error. Okay, now since our loop is running properly, okay, we are able to allot an element in this array. Also we are able to find its sum. Now we need to find it GST. Okay, GST, so let's say the GST is 18%. So what it will be, sum is equal to 18, right? 18 means 0 0.18, 0.18, okay, plus sum. Okay, so this is the formula of finding the GST. Now we will write sum here. It sum is equal to sum into okay, sorry guys, there is some error. This is not, since we are taking the price, so we will, instead of int, we will use float. Okay, and here we will use f. Since it is a price, so that's why we will use float. Float sum is equal to 0, into is equal to sum is equal to, okay, sum float sum is equal to 0, and sum is equal to 0.18 plus sum. And now here, instead of I, we will use f. Okay, print f. Just showing us some error. And expected a. Okay, here's the problem. Percentage f sum. Save, and we will run our code. Enter the price of first item. Suppose, let's say the price of first item is 200. Okay, price of second item is 100. Price of third item is 200. Okay, so now our final answer is 590. Okay, 590 with GST. So actually the sum, the total sum of this will be 500, including GST. Our total has, we got our total 590. This is how you need to, you can find the price of 3 items and also find it GST with the in array. Let's move forward. The second answer, second question. Write a function to count the number of odd number in an array. Write a function to count the number of odd number in an array. Okay. Now, let's define an array. Int array, it is 5. Okay, array, and now we'll array, suppose odd number, suppose 2, some random number. Okay, we will some random number, 5, 7, 7, 12, 6. Okay, this is some random array. Now we need to find from this array, we need to find the number of odd number. How many odd number are there? So how many odd number are there? We have to find this. So how many, if you see how many odd number is there, 2, 5 is the odd number, 7 is the odd number. Okay, that means in this array there are 2 odd number. Now we need to write a program so that we can find the number of odd number. So okay, now we need to, now there's a special code, special line of code to find is number of element. Int n is equal to size of array. Size of array. Okay, the size of array means, so it will count the uh, bits of data type. Suppose array, so this is an array, so of integer value, right? Of integer value. Now size of array. Now size of array means, since there are 1 2 3 5 elements, so and 5 elements, 5 elements and 5 elements, 5 elements and the number of the size of integer is, okay, the size of integer is 4 bytes. Okay, 4 bytes. So total how many bytes? 20. Okay, 20 bytes. 20. The size of this array is 20 byte. Okay, now we have to divide the number with size of array of element 0th index. Okay, so now what will happen in this here, the size of array means 20 bytes, right? 20 bytes. I will 20 bytes. Size of array means 20 bytes divided by 20 bytes. The total size of this array is 20 bytes. Okay, so the size of array of ith index, sorry, 0th index. So of this element 0th index, what is the size? It is the size. This 2 is an integer data type, so integer has 4 bytes. 4. So answer will be 5. So that means we are able to find the elements of number of elements in this array. Now what we need to do is, we need to in a slice integer variable count is equal to 0. Now we run I is equal to 0, I is smaller than n, 0 to smaller than we learn from 0 to this 0 n minus 1. Okay, I plus plus iterating if condition, if array of ith index, you need to find all, right? Modulus 2 is not equal to 0. Okay, if ith index of this array is modulus 2, modulus is not equal to 0, that means it is an odd number. So then we will count, keep on counting this number. COUNT, count plus plus. Okay, now we'll come out of this loop and print the number of count. Percentage I count save and run. No, some error. Two. See, in this error we have two odd number, so it has printed out 5 and 7, 2. Okay, so let's move to next question. The next question is for the given array of integer. Okay, array integer. So let's say 1 2 3 4 5. What will be the output of? Okay, this is the uh, questions from pointer. So before solving this problem, I will give some example. Int array 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now percentage. Now what uh, pointer this? So this array is a this array is itself is a pointer. Okay, array itself is a pointer. So we will see array plus 0. What it will printed out? Okay, so this array here what has printed out? So this array itself is a pointer. So we have first assign this element. If you try to print, okay, by point by the help of pointer, this array, if you print this just array, see this array in by default the position of, okay, the position ith index of array will be this number. Okay, this number. So if you want to print other number, we need to okay, we need to add this some number. Let's say 3. Okay, 3. That means 3 means 0 1 2 3. This position 4. The 7 done. See, you got an answer 4. Okay, this is how a pointer is when we can use pointer to uh, find the elements in array. Now in this example, what will the, suppose this is the array, what will be the output of pointer of array plus 2? Array plus 2 and can you guess what will be the output of this code? Array plus 2. Array plus 2 means 1 2 3. Okay, let me print 3 and array plus 5. Sorry, array is array plus save. Array plus 5 means since this is 0 index, 1 2 3 4. We don't have any elements, so out of this it is out of bound, but here it will print 0. save and run. We got an answer 3 and 0. This is how we can even find the elements of array using pointer. Next question: write a function to reverse an array. Okay, now we need to write a function to reverse an array. So let this be an array. You can void reverse. Now now what we will do is we'll find the number of n. Int n is equal to size of array divided by size of array of zeroth index. Now we got our answer. So now we will run a loop from n minus 1 to 0. Int I is equal to n minus 1. I is greater than equal to 0. It will iterate negatively. I minus minus. Okay. Now we will reverse. Printf percentage I percent array of I. Okay. Now we will call this function reverse array. Run, save and run. Okay, there is some error here. We got an error. It is saying that size of array divided by size of array. Size of okay, we will use this here itself. We also pass n. Okay. and I will save and run. See, our code is running properly. We have revert this array in this void. Okay. Let's move to next question. Here 2D array storing table of 2 and 3. So we need to make 2D array where we can store table of 2 and 3. How we do? We need table of 2, like uh, use table of 2, like table of 2 means like 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Okay, and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Okay, similarly we need to write, we also need to make program for 3, like 3 into 1 is equal to 3, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay, till 10. So how we will make this program? Student 2D array. First we need to declare a 2D array in table. Here we will use 2 and here 10. It means, so we have here we have declared 2 rows and 10 columns. Okay, 2 rows, 1 row for 2 and another row for 3, and here we will use multiple columns, like 10 columns. After that we will move forward and we will run for loop, and I is equal to 1, I is more than equal to 10, I plus plus. Okay, now we will table, we will allot an element. This table of row 0 I, sorry, here from starting from 0, 0, table of 0 of row I is equal to so here we need the table multiplication of 2, so 2 2 2 2 into I. Okay, 2 into I plus 1. Since 0 is starting from I starting from 0, that's why we need to add 1 here. Okay, and this is for table of 2. Similarly for table of 3 we will directly copy and paste, and here in place of 2 we use 3 row is 1. Right. So now we have allotted an element in this table. I will print an element from this table. So I will do print print sorry mm, print I is equal to 0, I is smaller than mm, sorry, I plus a plus plus. Now print f print f to 2 into percentage I 2 into I equal to percentage I. We use 2 into I is equal to table of I. Table of 0th I. Table of 0th I. So let's see for whether for table of 2 is working or not. Save and run. Okay, now it is in this way. We need to this one slash n save clear. So our program is running properly. We just need to make a line. Okay, okay, for 2 is running properly. We will write a table of 2. Similarly, we will by using for loop we can use table of 3. We just copy this part and use table of 3 here. We just need to change I 0 to 1. Save. Run the program. See, table of 3. Okay, we have not we did not get table of 3 and there is some error. Table of 3. Let's clear this. Okay, this is the table. Okay, in place of 2 we need to write 3. Oh, that's okay. Okay, now we are able to print the table of 2 and 3. See, we got table of 2 and table of 3. Okay, so let's move to question number 6. In an array of number, find how many times number x occur. In an array of numbers, how many times number of x occur. So this is the random questions we can do by yourself. Okay, plus 2 question. Write a program to array of number. Okay, just ignore this question. Okay, ignore this question. Write a program to print the largest number in an array. Okay, this is one of the important question. So what we need to do here, what we need to do is, suppose let's define an array. Let's write some random element. 45, 12, 89, 109, uh, 28. Okay, this is some random array. So out of this, if you see by looking at this array, you can see that the largest element is 108, 109, right? So now we need to write a program in C to find the largest element in this array. Okay, so how we will do is, we can do this by first of all, again by int n is equal to size of array by size of array of z index. Now we need to find the largest number in an array. Find the largest number. Find the largest element in an. Okay, so to do this, we need to declare 45 as the largest, and largest array of 0. Okay, now we need to use for loop. For int I is equal to 0, I smaller than n I plus plus. Now we need to use if condition. If no, we want to use I is equal to I run from I is equal to 1, because this is the largest. Initially the largest will be the array of 0. So if largest, so if array of I, okay, if array of I is greater than largest, largest will become array of I. Okay, so it will keep on running this loop. Okay, it will keep on running this loop, so until it reaches, every time it will check, it will start from this first position. So it will check, is 12 larger than 45? If no, okay, if no, then nothing will happen. It will keep on I plus plus, it will keep on iterating, the I will keep on iterating, then will come in this position. This 89 larger than if 89 larger than if 85 is greater than 45. So if yes, then largest will become this element in this position. Okay, now it will come on this, I will keep on iterating. So it will check this 409 or 109 is greater than the largest. So Yes, 109 is greater than the 89, so it will become, so 109 will become the largest. So now we need to come out of this for loop and just print the largest. Percentage I and largest. Now save, and after saving we just need to run the code. See, we got our answer 109. Okay, 109 is the largest. This is how we can use this logic to find the largest element in an array. So okay, now we have the last questions of this array. This is one of the important questions, so be careful. Write a program. Write a program to insert an element at the end of an array. Okay, so in this element only we will. Okay, let's say, okay, we have from here we will. So this is our element. Okay, we want to add one more element at the end of this array. Suppose let's say the int uh, element is 25. Okay, we want to add this, we want to find this 25. Yeah, we want to add this 25 at the end of this array. So how would we do? So um, we will just assign it array of n is equal to n. Okay, what element of n is? Element of n means 5. So here the fifth position will be, so it will start from 0 1 2 3 4 and somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here in this position, in this position it will allot. Okay, here the element will be allotted on this fifth position. Now another case is, we also need to uh, increase the length. We need to increase the length of this n. Okay, that means, see what has happened, this element will be stored in the n position. Okay, this element 25 will be stored in n position. Here the n position is fifth, starting from 0 1 2 3 4 5th. Okay, this element 25 will be stored in the fifth position. This fifth means, so this is the fourth and here will be fifth. Okay, now we also need to increase the length of this n. So the length will be n plus plus. That's it. That's it. It will be increased to 1. So if we print the element of this array in I is equal to 0, I is smaller than n, I plus plus, percentage I, array of I, save and run. Okay, we will not do this. Save and see, now we are able to add this number at the end of this array successfully. Earlier it was 5 element. Okay, now the number of element is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 element. Okay, it is success. It is this number has been added in this array property. This is how you can do or add number and at the end of this array. So that's it for today. So in this video we have learned uh, problems, like we have practiced a problems related to array in C. So that's it for today, and we'll meet on the next video. So till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.